Car Power Bank provides emergency charging, ensures device power, and supports travel and roadside safety. My today's video is about top 5 best car power bank that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Joltekon Car Power Bank. This 8-in-1 car jump starter is an extremely powerful and practical emergency device for any vehicle owner. It combines multiple essential tools in one compact unit, including a jump starter, air compressor, power bank, flashlight, SOS light, and warning strobe functions. This makes it a complete roadside safety kit for both daily use and emergencies. The 4500 A peak current with force start capability is impressive, allowing it to start even fully dead batteries in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. It works well for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more, offering reliable multi-start performance on a single charge. The built-in 150 psi air pump is fast and convenient, with automatic shutoff and multiple nozzles for different inflatables. The 500 lumen emergency light is bright and versatile, with SOS and warning modes for roadside safety. It also functions as a power bank with USB-C support and a smart display for easy monitoring. With multiple safety protections and a rugged design, this is a dependable all-in-one emergency companion. Now our second product is Marbero Car Power Bank. The Marbero Portable Power Station is a compact and highly practical energy solution for both indoor and outdoor use. One of its biggest strengths is the fast charging capability, reaching 80% in just 2 hours, while also allowing you to power other devices simultaneously, almost like a portable charging strip. It even supports solar panel charging, making it ideal for camping and off-grid use. Despite its small size and lightweight design, it delivers impressive performance with 8 output ports that can run multiple devices at the same time. From phones and tablets to laptops, mini fridges, and small appliances, it handles everyday and emergency power needs efficiently. The inclusion of AC, USB, USB-C PD, and DC outputs adds great versatility. The built-in LED light with multiple brightness levels and SOS mode is very useful for emergencies, camping, or power outages. Safety is also well covered with a reliable BMS system that protects against overheating, overload, and short circuits. Overall, it's a dependable and travel-friendly power station. Our third product is Povasee Car Power Bank. The Povasee S6 jump starter is a powerful and highly versatile all-in-one emergency device designed for modern vehicle owners. It combines multiple essential tools, including a jump starter, air compressor, LED light, SOS signal, fast-charging power bank, and 12V accessory support, making it much more than a traditional booster. With an impressive 5000 A peak current, it can start most 12V vehicles, including large gas and diesel engines, even in low-voltage situations. The added RST force start function provides extra reliability in emergency cases. Its ability to deliver up to 60 jump starts per charge and long standby life makes it very dependable. The built-in 150 psi air compressor is another strong feature, inflating tires quickly with auto-stop functionality and multiple modes for different inflatables. The LCD screen adds convenience and accuracy during use. Safety is well covered with 10 intelligent protection systems and a heat-efficient design, ensuring stable performance in extreme temperatures. Overall, it's a complete roadside emergency solution built for reliability and convenience. Now number 4, Povasee Car Power Bank. The Povasee 5000 A jump starter is a powerful and reliable emergency tool designed for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and tractors. With its high peak current, it can quickly start large 10L gas and 8.0L diesel engines, even in low-voltage situations using the RST force start function. It also supports multiple jump starts on a single charge, making it dependable for repeated use. Beyond jump starting, it works as a 74Wh portable power bank with dual USB ports, allowing you to charge phones, tablets, and other devices efficiently. The QC 3.0 fast charging feature ensures much quicker charging speeds compared to standard adapters. The built-in 400 lumen LED light with flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes adds extra safety during nighttime emergencies. Safety is well considered with 10 intelligent protection systems and stable performance in extreme temperatures. Its compact 2.2-pound design makes it easy to store and carry, while the included protective case adds durability. Overall, it's a compact yet powerful roadside essential. And our last choice is Daran Car Power Bank. This slim and pocketable portable power station is a highly practical solution for everyday backup power and outdoor use. Despite its compact size and lightweight 2.54 pounds design, it delivers solid performance with an 89.6 Wh LiFePO4 battery and multiple output options, including AC sockets, USB-C, USB-A, and DC ports. It's impressive how many devices it can support at the same time within its 100W limit. One of its strongest features is the ultra-fast charging capability, reaching 80% in just 1.5 hours, with multiple charging methods including wall outlet, USB-C, car, and solar input. This flexibility makes it very useful for camping, travel, and emergency situations. The silent, fanless operation is a big advantage for nighttime use, while the built-in LED flashlight with SOS mode adds extra safety. The LiFePO4 battery ensures long lifespan with over 3,500 cycles, supported by a strong safety management system. Overall, it's a compact, reliable, and well-designed portable power station for daily and emergency use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.